See, it's these little minutes between the other things that we can use time wisely. I am decluttering this. This is Cora's stuff she decluttered, her hair stuff. I'm gonna declutter. We're just gonna, I have the couch pulled out, but I think they're so cute. I wish I was someone who wore headbands. I try and they annoy me and hurt my head. I'm getting rid of basically all my headbands. This I love. I'm keeping for the summer. This is like so great. It's microfiber hair scrunchie that like absorbs the wet. So we go to the pool a lot in the summer. So I love that. Hello, Cora in the background. This I actually am going to keep. You like these thin ones too. She's worn these. So I'll keep the thin ones. These thick ones you don't like either, right?
No, I don't like
they hurt. They hurt the head. This you don't want. That's yours. That's it. Okay.
I actually like that blue.
You like this one? Okay, we'll keep that.
I want this one.
Okay, hold on. I've got all these scrunchies that I don't love, so I'm gonna, hold on, I'm like losing track. These little guys, hold on, I'm gonna see. These are good for, probably for Cora. Do you like these, Cora?
Yeah. Also, why did you take this? This is mine.
I have no idea. It was probably in my bathroom and I just scooped it up. Okay, there you go. This I actually, is this yours?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, there you go. I stole it from you.
I'm taking this one. This one is now mine.
Okay.
It's the softest one.
Okay, that's fine. So I don't like these. I do like to have a couple soft scrunchies. These I'm so sick of. They're like all stretched out and gross. These I can't stand. The telephone cord ones. This, Cora, do you like this one?
Yeah. Also, this is now mine too.
That is not yours, but you can take it in your room.
Yeah.
This, I seem to wear this a lot, like after the shower, because it's
that one's
soft.
mine.
That?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like we're like teenagers fighting over. I have a real rubber band that can go
I'll
to the
take
other
that.
room. No, well, put it in the drawers, the supply drawers.
Can I play with it?
This green one, I actually love this color, and I am keeping that. Putting that away. Hideous. Get rid of that.
Yeah.
These I do not like. Do you like this? The feel of these? I don't like those in my hair. Another telephone cord wannabe.
Oh, that one's glow in the dark. I'm keeping that one.
Okay, this is velvet. Are you, Cora, do you actually wear it on your hair?
No, but it's a cool thing to have. In
You have a lot of cool things. It goes to someone who, Cora?
It's glow in the dark.
Mm-mm, girl. Come on, you're better than that.
But
That's
I
our
used
new
it
phrase.
last
You're
night.
better than that.
I used it last night.
You're better than that.
I used it last
Where?
night. On my wrist. I kept it on my wrist.
For what?
Because it's glow in the dark.
What, are you going to sleep with it?
Yes.
Oh, my. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes you just got to keep going. I actually do like this one. Don't judge. Oh, that's one's really stretched out.
Ooh, I like the feeling of this one.
Oh, this is like really, I might keep this for holiday. I could stand it for an hour or two.
This.
For holiday. What am I, British? I'm like, for holiday. I do get gangster and I do wear it out sometimes. Oh, wow. That's something.
Also, I'm keeping.
I do like that one.
I'm keeping these.
Oh, this actually has a zipper you can store stuff in. So like at the gym, you can like, I don't know what, I've never stored anything in there. Is this the one?
Store something in there?
Actually, maybe this isn't the one. Yeah, it has a zipper. Have I ever used the storage of my scrunchie? No, I haven't. I do love green. It's my favorite color. I'm gonna go back to this after and like I wear this like every 4th of July. It's my thing. It's my thing. This is another headband. You know, there's just like, that's mine. Don't touch it. Don't ever touch it again.
You let me borrow that sometimes.
This one, yeah, I will keep the thinner one.
Ta-da!
This, I don't like the feel of that. You don't want that one, right? Okay. This is one of those other headbands. And, oh, bobby pins. I guess I'll keep a few of those. I like these velvety guys. We'll see. We'll see. Do you like either of these, Cora?
No.
Okay.
Also, I'm busy.
She's busy. I can't. And in the background, please ignore the mess. We have our tree still to put up. We have one tree up in the Peacock Lounge.
Finished.
Oh, there's the black one. I'm going to keep that.
Ta-da!
Oh, Lord!
I finished my humongous.
Cora, I got to focus. I'm decluttering. I'm doing a mini declutter. It's supposed to be under 5 minutes. Now it's not. These guys, yes, keeping. All right, good. So let's get all our scrunchies out to see how many we have. We have the green one. We have that one. That one.
Ooh, leopard. I like
All
these
right.
ones. I like these leopard clips.
Leopard
hair clips.
Yeah, I'm going to keep those. I think 3 is fine. If I have another one I want. Oh, this is the softer one. I like that one better than this one. I'm going to get rid of that one. I love green. I love this is like a fun summer color. Definitely keeping my like hair wrap headbands. They are comfortable.
Wants to see my full
And they're
outfit.
good for, oh my gosh.
So I have the wristbands, multiple headbands, and these little.
You're supposed to be decluttering, not cluttering.
And this.
Oh boy.
This little.
Okay.
This is
I'm done with you. I've moved on. All right. And then we've got that lovely guy. I'm going to try this on my head actually in a second. I'm going to make sure this, yes, I love that.
Why did I always put all these on?
Oops. That goes there.
These
That
gold
goes
things
here.
I'm keeping on because I love them.
These, yes, I'll put them in the
Can
bottom.
I keep these gold things, Mom?
No.
Why not?
Okay, fine.
Yay. I'll keep one and I'll give the other one to you.
I'm giving in too easily, but I don't have time. This is my declutter. When we get to her room, things might change.
Oh, yeah, let's do it on the
Weekend
weekend.
declutter.
Woo, now I'm going to play.
Okay, that's, whoops, for your room. Okay, I'm going to put this on my head real quick. Please excuse the nay-nay in the background. Okay, no, this does not fit my head right.
Yeah, and it's this disgusting color.
She's so,
So
okay,
red
well,
one,
the red does feel
I
fine.
hate the red color.
Okay, nobody asked. Nobody asked you. And this is my green one that I like. Okay, good. That's better. That like fits a lot better than all this. So, look at all that we're getting rid of. It's hard to do with one hand, but I believe in myself. I ordered those headbands online. There was like a big sale. I don't even remember. It might have been like Fab Kids or something. And I ordered a bunch. I was like, they're so cute and they're so cheap. And then like they didn't fit my head great. I have a tiny head. I have a little tiny head. So we're getting rid of that. And I'm keeping one. This one, I might have to look in the mirror to make sure it looks okay. If it doesn't, I'll get rid of it if there's a gap. The other ones, you could definitely feel the gap. This, I'll have to. I really don't remember if it does, but it feels like it fits my head. So if not, it'll go bye-byes, but I love these little baskets. I got these at Target. Sometimes I keep the thing on the bottom. Target like so long ago, and they're still in pristine condition. I mean, probably like 10 years ago or something. There we go. There it is. So say goodbye to all these hair things. Oops. There we go. All right. Ciao, ciao for now.